What's good with y'all boys? It's your boy K the Great, but y'all can call me Kalen. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and if you haven't already, smack that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 600 subscribers, bro. We're almost there. We're currently sitting at around 549 subscribers, something like that. But as soon as we hit that 600 mark, as I always say in every single one of my videos, we gotta skip all the way to that 1,000 mark. But we're gonna get there, but with y'all help, of course. So today, I got a simple but effective 2-strand twist out tutorial for y'all. So look, the style is really good if you like to put your hair up in a bun. It'll give it that real curly look, bro, and it'll make it look very voluminous, bro. As you can see, my hair looks very voluminous right now. So look, I ain't gonna say no more, bro. If y'all interested in that, just stick around and let's hop into this video. What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another freaking voiceover. Stupid ass boy. So today, you're going to need 3 things and 3 things only. You're going to need any oil of your choice. You're going to need a pick and or a wide tooth comb. And obviously for a twist out, you're going to have your hair already twisted. If you don't know how to twist your hair, click the card up top and I'll teach you how to do that. It's a banger. So for today's video, I used my Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. And I used my Aunt Jackie's Curl a La Curl Define and Custard. These are the only products I used. I did not use a gel. With a curl custard like this one, you do not need gel. If you use gel with it, it's going to cause your hair to flake and you're going to look ugly. So step 1, grab your oil and apply a generous amount to the palm of your hand. Step 2, rub the oil onto the first section that you're working with. So you should have 4 twists in each section. What's 4 times 4? Bro, that's 16, bro. That's 16, bro. Oh my gosh. Anyways, so in order to start unraveling these twists, you want to start at the base of your first twist and just twist in the opposite direction about halfway down and then pull it apart. Simple. And then just repeat these steps across the entire section. And also, a very important note, only pull the twist apart where it naturally wants to separate. Do not create your own freaking parts and then pull it apart. It's gonna look very frizzy and you ain't gonna get no girls. If you ain't getting no girls, you know what? You already know, bro. You already know, bro. Y'all been watching my videos long enough and y'all should know what I'm about to say. You ain't gonna have no kids and you gonna die. You ain't gonna have no legacy to leave behind, bro. Simple. All right, bro, I'm gonna get back with you shortly. Now remember, you start with each twist at the base of the twist and then you'll twist in the opposite direction about halfway down the twist and then pull the twist apart where it naturally separates. And if you want your hair to look bigger, you want more volume, unravel the twist a little bit more, but do not pull it apart all the way because you still want your hair to look curly. Don't risk that curl definition. All right, don't do nothing stupid or nothing crazy while I'm gone, bro. If your twist out come out ugly, I don't want you to be saying that I taught you how to do a twist out. You wasn't on this channel. I didn't teach you that. You taught yourself that. All right, you on your own. I don't want no parts of that. No, I'm just playing. Look, just hit that subscribe button and pay attention. Simple. All right, y'all, I'm back. So after you've finished unraveling all of your twists, you have two great options. A, you can just leave your twist out the way it is and just rock that curly, defined twist out look. Or B, you can go for a more voluminous look like I'm doing. So this more voluminous look is gonna make your hair look bigger. And if you do puffs and stuff like I do, it's gonna make your puff look 10 times bigger. So pay attention. If you have puffs, you don't want your hair to look all droopy, because it's not gonna look big and it's not really gonna look like a puff. I mean, if you like that look, go for it. But me, I want my hair to look as big and voluminous as possible, especially when I'm wearing my man bun, you know what I'm saying, my puff. So what I'm doing is just taking my Waddup comb and starting at the base and working toward my ends. And I'm not working all the way through my ends. I'm not combing my hair out because I don't want my hair to look frizzy at all. You still want some curl definition. So I'm gonna repeat it again. Start at the base, work towards your end, but don't run the comb all the way through your ends. You're going like 75% through the strands. You know what I'm saying? You're going in a lift out motion actually. You're lifting your hair up. You want it to look big, but you still want some curl definition. And if you haven't already, go ahead and watch my man bun videos, both of them. I got a high puff tutorial and a low puff tutorial. I'm gonna leave the first one right here, and I'm gonna leave the second one right here. So y'all go watch those. After y'all watch this video though, simple. Like I said, if you wanna rock that curly, defined, twist out look, go for it, bro. It's a great look. But this one is just for if you want your hair to look big, and if you want your man bun to look big. Simple. All right, that's it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and if you haven't already, smack that subscribe button for your boy. Road to 600 subscribers. We're sitting at around 549 subscribers. We're 51 subscribers away from that 600 mark. And then after that, we gotta skip all the way to 1,000 subscribers. We gonna get there, of course, bro. I said it right here. We gonna get to that 1,000 mark. Remember this video. All right, YouTube. I'm out.